This is one of the most shocking wildlife incidents ever reported in Indonesia. A young palm oil worker entered the plantation to harvest fruit and never returned home. What villagers later discovered inside the jungle left the entire nation in disbelief. This is the true story of Akbar. The incident took place in Pangerang hamlet. Sayobero village, Karasa district, Central Mamuju Regency, West Sulawesi. The area is surrounded by palm oil plantations that directly border dense tropical forest. For local workers, the jungle is part of daily life, but hidden within it are predators capable of killing silently. One of them is the reticulated python. Akbar was a 26-year-old plantation worker. Like many villagers, he relied on palm oil harvesting to support his family. On Sunday, March 26, 2017, Akbar left his home as usual to harvest palm fruit in his plantation. He carried simple tools, a machete, cigarettes, and his work gear. There was nothing unusual about that morning. As the day passed, Akbar did not return. At first, his family assumed he was working late, but by evening, concern began to grow. When night fell and Akbar was still missing, villagers realized something was wrong. Such efforts began immediately, spreading through the plantation and nearby forest, but Akbar was nowhere to be found. During the search, villagers discovered several personal items belonging to Akbar. His cigarettes were found on the ground. Nearby, his machete lay abandoned. These items confirmed one thing. Akbar had been in this area, but there were no signs of struggle. No blood. No footprints leading away. Only silence. On Monday, March 27th, dozens of villagers returned to the forest. They moved deeper into the jungle, carefully scanning the ground and surrounding bushes. Approximately 10 meters from where Akbar's belongings were found, they noticed something deeply unsettling. A massive python lay motionless among the vegetation. Its body was unusually swollen. The snake was enormous, estimated to be around 7 meters long. For experienced villagers, the sight immediately raised fear. The python's distended body suggested it had recently swallowed something large. At that moment, many villagers already suspected the truth. The missing man had not escaped. Akbar had been in this area, but there were no signs of struggle. No blood, no footprints leading away. Only silence, porile. The villagers killed the python and carefully opened its body. Inside the snake, they found Akbar. His body was still intact, along with parts of his clothing and one of his rubber boots. The search was over. Akbar had been swallowed whole by the giant python. Reticulated pythons are non-venomous predators. They kill through constriction. When attacking, they wrap their powerful bodies around the victim, cutting off breathing and blood circulation. Once the prey is motionless, the python uses its flexible jaws and expandable ligaments to swallow the body whole. In rare cases, when these snakes reach extreme size, humans can become prey. Palm oil plantations often overlap with forest habitats. Workers usually operate alone, moving through tall grass and dense trees. Snakes remain hidden and strike silently. There is often no warning. Akbar's death became a tragic reminder of the dangers faced by plantation workers in remote regions of Indonesia. Akbar left home expecting another normal working day. Instead, He became the victim of one of the most horrifying human-wildlife encounters ever recorded. In places where jungle and human life collide, danger does not roar. It waits in silence.